Hey, if you're seeing this, you made it into the 5-day AI content sprint, and I'm so excited you're here. I am Morgan. I'm an AI and marketing coach, and I run Smart Content AI Studio. This week, we are doing something different. We are not just talking about AI, we are actually building a system. Over 5 days, you are going to set up Claude properly. Learn your audience at a deeper level than you ever have. Create a month of content in one session, and get at least one automation running. By Saturday, you will have an AI setup that most creators do not have, even the ones who have been using AI for years. We also have a contest running all week. Complete each day's action task. Post your proof in the AI Action Takers channel and earn points. First place wins a free seat in my high-ticket accelerator program. Second place gets a one-on-one call with me, plus the full Claude HQ bundle. Third place gets the Claude HQ bundle. So show up, do the work, post your proof. Before Tuesday, I want you to do 3 things. Introduce yourself in the community. Sign up at claude.ai if you have not already. And if you want a head start, grab the Claude HQ bundle at the early access price. Link is in the community. I read every single introduction. See you Tuesday at noon Eastern.